Hey guys, welcome back to Candy Beauty. So today we are on the dupe hunt again, and supposedly Five Below has some stuff going on. So I wanted to kind of see it for myself. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell so you can be notified of all the new upcoming videos, and let's see what we can shop and find. Hopefully we'll find some dupes here. But let's see, we have like some cute little skincare fridges. Well, it says boba tea fridge, but I feel like you could use that for skincare. Those are like, when did Five Below get to like the $20 and $25 range? Has that always been a thing, you guys? I was not aware of this, but these are really cute. And then we have a remote control Hello Kitty. Is this like a cake situation? Hello Kitty cake. Okay, so this is giving me total Mercury, Huda Beauty Mercury retrograde vibes on the outside, and then this one is definitely the Huda Beauty, I think it was called New Nude palette. Definitely dupes for those. I feel like these are pretty palettes to these smoke and mirrors. If you guys have tried this, let me know down in the comments below. I'm curious on the quality, but just the outside packaging alone is totally giving me Huda Beauty vibes. Now this looks like, this neon palette looks like it could be NYX, like the ultimate neon palette that they came out with a few years ago. What else do we have? I don't see any dupes. I think this is just like their regular beauty section. We have Sally Hansen. Oh, I didn't know that they sold Sally Hansen here. That's kind of neat. And then we have some Rimmel London, CoverGirl, LA Colors, which I usually find my LA Color stuff at the dollar store, but they have a huge line here, like a lot more here than they do at Dollar Tree for sure. And if you guys haven't checked that out, make sure you check out my Dollar Tree videos too, because they have been killing it and slaying it with the dupes. I think it's just because like inflation, nobody can afford stuff anymore. So I feel like 2025 is the year for dupes, and you know, like all of these stores and brands coming out with dupes of like high-end stuff. These kind of palettes are really pretty too. I feel like that nude one could have been like a dupe for Natasha, Denona, but don't quote me on that. I'm not really sure. I feel like these are just really pretty LA Color palettes though. And the LA Colors brand, they have like a sister brand called LA Girl that is sold in Ulta Beauty, and the quality is typically pretty good. Honestly, I have a bunch of palettes I got last year at Five Below that have really been working out for me well. If you guys want to see like a swatching all my, you know, Five Below palettes, I can definitely do that, because I have some of that other brand, the W7 brand as well, that I got last year, and those were definitely dupes for like the Obsessions Huda Beauty palettes. But I don't see those in store today, but I did get those last year at Five Below. I do come to Five Below from time to time, but if I can find stuff like, you know, at a steep discount, I'm all about that. All right, and then like the Wet n Wild, they have a huge line of Wet n Wild. The Dewy foundation, the Photo Focus Dewy foundation, is one of my favorite affordable drugstore foundations. And then their highlighters and their bronzer contours are pretty good. This looks like that other collagen brand. What the heck is Jennifer Aniston owns it? What the heck is the brand of the name of it? I'll have to like post it down below, but these definitely look like dupes for that brand. Gosh, I can't think of the name of it.
Well, you know what I did is I looked at all of them and I found it.
But like, they're $20. You get the powder. It's the collagen. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. And they have like the blue packaging too. And it's like all about the collagen, and it's like a powder. You can put it in your drinks and stuff. Okay, Bubble Dupe Allure for sure. This is definitely like totally giving me the Bubble line, which is available at Ulta Beauty as well. Like totally looks completely exactly the same almost. I almost thought it was Bubble products for a second, but it's the Stanny Beauty, which is the Five Below brand, I guess, to do products. Oh my gosh. And then this is totally Drunk Elephant dupes right here. We have the Dewy Face Toner, the Hydro Jelly Cleanser. Oh my gosh. And we have some watermelon products, so that could be also like Glow Recipe, but I'm pretty sure this is definitely supposed to be duping the Drunk Elephant line. And then we have the famous bronzing drops. I wonder how those compare to the Dollar Tree ones. And then what I want to say this looks exactly like, I love how the outside packaging too of these products is like totally spot on for the name brand products. This is giving me BYOMA vibes. That's a skincare line. I don't think it's at Ulta. I'm pretty sure it's at Sephora, and it's very high end and it's very good. I would say it's like right there alongside with Drunk Elephant, Glow Recipe, Bubble. But yeah, that's definitely a dupe for that brand. And then I've been seeing people on TikTok with these little face scrubbers, and they say like this line, the Amora, is a really good quality. Okay, Eyes of London, come on, Charlotte Tilbury. That's definitely Charlotte Tilbury. And then we have like, it looks like Bobbi Brown or Benefit mascara. Gloss Away, these look like they could be like Laneige dupes. Oh, this is definitely Fat Oil by NYX right here. And then we have some Rare Beauty, Liquid Contour, Liquid Blush, YSL Touch to Clap Primer right there with the gold specks. Total spot on dupe for that. Charlotte Tilbury again. What is this? Yeah, no, this is like one of the like nudes from Charlotte Tilbury or like Exaggerize palettes for sure. And it even says like Eyes of London. It's totally a Char's dupe. Oh my gosh. And then we have more Char's dupes. These are like definitely the PillowTalk shades for sure. Definitely Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Like it looks identical. I freaking identical. I want to show you guys like a little bit of a swatch, because I definitely think I'm going to pick up one of these shades. And this is Naked Desire. And then we have this Glam, it's like Glam Spark, and then this is a Glow Filter. And then we have this palette by Pat McGrath. It looks like a Baked Gelée Pat McGrath version for sure, you guys. Like it even, I'm gonna swatch it too, and it even is acting just like the Pat McGrath palette. It's called Glam Spark. And then we have more LA Color stuff. Have some cute like ice molds you could use for your face, ice globes, some more ice molds. This stuff is kind of neat. And then we have like this Gummy Bear like whipped body gel type of a looking thing, some brightening toner pads and soothing toner pads. Those are definitely dupes for something. I can't think of what it is, but they look a lot like something I've seen that's high end. So you guys let me know down in the comments below if you can detect what that's a dupe for. We have a travel emergency kit. Not a dupe for anything. I just think that that's cute. We have some bath bombs. And we have some candles. These kind of look like Bath & Body Works like candle dupes. But the scents are really, oh yeah, no, this is definitely Bath & Body Works dupes. Like look at those body mists. They look exactly like Bath & Body Works. For sure, dupes of Bath & Body Works. Yep. And then we have some body scrubs in the same kind of line. They don't smell bad. Like, I don't know that I would spend $5 on them, but they're not like they definitely smell good. Definitely like very like fruity scents. And then this is more of that like skincare line, which, what is this reminding me of? It looks just like something else. Just like another skincare line. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys can figure it out, because I'm at a loss for words right now. but it's definitely giving me like the vibes of something. We have more Wet and Wild. I don't think these are dupes for anything, but nevertheless, like, this is a good place to come and get your Wet and Wild stuff for a little bit cheaper than you would at like Walmart or CVS. What? Oh wow, they have Moda brushes now here. That's cool, and you can buy them individually versus like typically you have to get Moda brushes in like a pack, and they range anywhere between like $12 to $20. They're excellent brushes. So this is kind of neat. I can't see, there's no prices on these, but it's kind of neat that they're selling them individually. Okay, there's just one of these, and this looks exactly, I actually thought it was Tree Hut. Because Tree Hut is like a pretty affordable brand that you can get at Target, but this is definitely like a dupe for the Tree Hut scrubs for sure. Then we have more of the pads, more of this watermelon body scrub. I'm half tempted to try one of these. I know these have been, some of this stuff has been out for a while too, so if you guys have tried it or gotten it, spill it down below. We have some peachy clean, what is this, micellar water? That's kind of neat. And then the fragrance dupes, you know, the Victoria's Secret. We have more of the body mist, Love Spell, Seduce. I don't know what these Kimberly ones are supposed to be duping. Obviously, this is a dupe for Ariana Grande Cloud. And then this one down here looks like a Britney Spears dupe. I am curious to try some of these. If you guys want to see a Five Below fragrance video, let me know, because I have been dabbling more. And then we have some Angel products, which is definitely Victoria's Secret. I've been dabbling more into fragrance this year, and I plan to continue as long as my health stays in check. But yeah, these okay, I went to check out, you guys, and right on the other side were these. These are the Sol de Janeiro dupes. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. It looks like they have two different scents, and they have, like, this looks exactly like Sol de Janeiro. Exactly. They have the body lotion, and then they have like these shimmering body oils. All right, mission accomplished. And then they even have some like, it's like body gels, and then here are the mists, the fragrance mists. And then I forgot to show you this, but this is definitely a Benefit Hulu bronzer dupe for sure. It looks exactly like that. Exactly. And then these are the Rare Beauty dupes again. The NYX, the BYOMA. This little station's a little bit cleaner than the other one, so I wanted to show you this. There's two entrances to the store, and I came in the other entrance. I don't think we saw this one before. I think this is Drunk Elephant, but I don't remember seeing it with the other end cap. This one doesn't have any of the bronzing drops, so those must be selling fast. Here's some more fragrance. I think they're the same ones, though. This is like the checkout aisle right now. Yeah, so the same ones. We have like the Love Spell dupe, more of the Ariana Cloud, more of the Angel. All right, you guys. I feel like we found a ton of dupes. Pat McGrath, Charlotte Tilbury, a lot of Charlotte Tilbury, possibly some Natasha Denona, but I don't know. I wouldn't say for sure. Like, some of these are, you know, they're a reach, but oh, this is a cute little like brick. But yeah, we found a ton of dupes. I found the Sol de Janeiro, the Bubble. If you guys have tried out any of these products, please let me know down in the comments below. I do plan on like doing a dupe video of all the dupes I've been like kind of hoarding and buying. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, tap that bell so you can be notified of all the new upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.